recording the sewer here at 3721 Densmore Ave North. Date is June 16th, 2021. Making this recording from the newly excavated trench underneath the sidewalk where we dug a hole today as part of Bob Oates plumbing sewer repair project. We're going to come back from the city main sewer, which is what you're looking at there, and get a look at the footage and the condition of the line from our hole to the main. So city main flowing by, straight back into 6-inch diameter concrete. Looks like there's a small hole in the bottom of the pipe out there near the main. Some roots coming through with these seams. Pretty good sized one there. Pretty good one there. You're okay. Oh, yeah. I should have some in the back there.
I got one in my truck.
Or Jesse's got. Alright, quick pause to grab a rag, and we are continuing to come back now. And it's Jesse. Oh, wait, he doesn't have to stop.
Here you go.
There we go, boys. Let's think of our teammates. Alright, keep coming back here. We out?
Yep.
Go in just a hair to where it's just sitting in the pipe. We're going to call that 24 feet of 6-inch diameter sewer line from where we're standing out to the main. I'm going to end the video there.